Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create and customize your own receipts and invoice for your business. So these videos are for people who have their own business or are doing reseller for my platform or for any platform, and they want to customize their receipts for themselves. So the first thing you need to do is to visit a website called Invoice Simple. That is invoicesimple.com, and once you visit the website, it's going to look like this. I'm going to be dropping the link in the comment section and also in the video description so you can have easy access to this website. So the next thing you need to do is to get the information or the details that you want to reflect on this receipt or invoice. So you can use this website to create both receipts and invoice for your business. Now I'll start customizing my own receipt so that you understand better on how to do this by yourself. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get my logo for my business, and I'm going to insert it over here in the logo section, and I'm going to change this invoice into receipt because I want to create a receipt, not an invoice. And I'm going to get my business information and the customer business information. So let's begin. So for the logo, I'm going to insert, let me go to my downloads. I'm just going to put anything on this logo section because this is just an example. I'm going to put this and I'm going to click on open. So as you can see, the logo has reflected on this part. So I'm going to change this to receipts. So I'm going to insert my own details as my business details. So for now, I'm going to put on recharge app, or let's make it small letter. Let the beginning be capital. Then for my business email, I'm just going to put testing and sample. Okay. So I put in my business name and then my email. So for the email, I'm just using a sample email, and for my location, like the address will be so Lagos. So just heads up for advertisements, like recharge app is an application that helps you to buy cheap data for your business. So for Nigerians, if you're Nigerian and you're watching this video, it will be of help to you because instead of buying data at expensive prices, you can buy it at cheap prices. And we also have other services like DSTV subscriptions and other subscription VTV services that you can use in your business or at home. So I'm going to fill in the customer details over here. Like I'm going to put like let's use David for the customer details. This is David's email. So David is probably Nigerian. So David probably lives in Lagos and the zip code is the same thing. So for now, since we're done filling in the business and then the customer's details, then we're going to leave the invoice as this. The more invoice you create, you want to change the number over here. Then for the item that David bought, he bought MTN, and the price rate, and you can see it here. The additional information, like you can put like additional description of the product they are selling. You can put the serial number, like something that is unique to that product, you get. So for me, since I'm selling data over here, I'm going to put the phone number on this additional information, like the phone number I bought this data for. network. I can also put network too. So note that as long as you have inputted your items over here and the price, the quantity, so if I want to put 10, it will automatically change over here on the price list. So this is like the item and price calculator. And if you want to add more items over here, you just need to click on the plus button so you can add as many items. So I'm going to add, let's say, Airtel CG, and I'm going to put the price for it, and let's say the person bought 5, and you can see it's just calculating over here, and probably I'm going to put the details as this, and I'm going to write Airtel. So as you can see, we have 2 items on the receipt, and the amount is calculated over here automatically. So you just need to focus on putting the items and the prices and the quantity. For the notes over here, what you can put there is information that you want the customer to take note of. You can put your bank details, your payment details, or your terms and conditions. You can customize the receipt color by changing the template color over here. Like you can see, you can change the template color. So whatever email you put here is what reflects here. Like if you want to receive the receipt on your email, you can change currency over here, like US dollars. So I'm Nigerian, so I'll leave it as Nigerian currency. And I think that's all. Click on get link over here. So once you click on the get link, remember, click on the get link and then it will take you to the receipt where you can download it or print it out. If you got value from this video, like, subscribe, and also leave a comment on the comment section, and I hope to see you in my next video.